Hello again. You've reached the fourth video I made about the user experience design. During previous ones, I've intentionally beat about the bush about different basic concepts like what is it, what's the purpose, or what is it for. Here, I'll concentrate my efforts on a crucial aspect. How can user experience can be designed? A very good question indeed. Logic recommends the usage of user-centered design methodologies, especially design thinking. The thing is, I found the web valuable design thinking resources, and I've wrote on my blog some posts about it. Sorry, in the Spanish version, not translated yet. But in the speed, it's not my interest here to give a master class on design thinking. I'm going to explain briefly which the process basics are. So the first thing to do is to understand key aspects like competition, because copying is not a bad thing as long as you enhance the original product, legally of course. Market, because we need to estimate the potential reception or product our service could have. User, of course, capabilities and technical limitations. Next job is about to be able to synthesize what we've learned in order to move forward in the process. To do this, we will build on top of all the evidences gathered in the previous phase. Our goal must be to clearly define challenges surrounding our target users and their needs. The best way to achieve this is using indicators and platforms where we can consolidate them in some kind of briefing. Once we arrive to this point, it's time to start thinking and create tangible ideas. We'll do it visualizing all we have in mind, just drawing graphically representing possible interactions. We will create tangible prototypes then, trying to convert visualizations in material, low-fidelity designs we can touch. An important thing here is to omit technological part and evaluate a possible proof of concept at this point. Once we have something we can see and touch, we will test first with users to evaluate desirability, and second we'll focus on tech part to test the POC and estimate its feasibility. And we'll do this applying an iterative philosophy. How? By error test. We must learn in each cycle, because in every step in the process or every ideation lab, we should obtain something love enough to send to be developed by our engineers to increase the product or service value at a scale. If you would like to learn more about how to grease the process, you can find some posts in my blog about the easiest way to combine design thinking with agile methodologies. The whole process is important, but let me take a special emphasis on an essential part for me, prototyping. As Idea said, maybe the UX top company, if a picture is worth 1,000 words, a prototype is worth 1,000 meetings, and it's absolutely true. So, advance fast in the process is important. We must materialize everything that happens to us as soon as possible. We'll start with paper sketches, following with some wireframes. Using these valuable resources, we'll be able to connect whole sketches in order to confer a suitable and necessary navigability character. It's time then to go a little further and generate powerful mockups, something essential for the idea testing. Finally, we can move to a high-fidelity prototypes, and despite this is an optional decision, they help a lot to materialize the desired deliverables as faithfully as possible. Something great for our developers in order to avoid user interface disasters. Which is the real prototyping culture benefit? Let me show you with this image. As you can see, your design explanation cost is reduced as long as you move down the process using prototypes. But on the other hand, the making prototypes associated cost increases. It's a matter then to find the optimal balance point. Fortunately, it often coincides with the generation of good mockups, something quite affordable. See you in the next video.